Welcome back to Social Science class. Hope you all are watching the video and studying well. Children, what we have learned in the previous classes? Do you remember? Yes, different types of maps. Then we learned the different uses of maps. Then thematic maps. Then classification of maps based on functions. Which are they? Yes, physical maps and cultural maps. Very good. Then we learned classification of maps based on scale. Which are they? Yes, large scale map and small scale map. Very good. Students, today we are going to learn map reading. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Students, map reading requires a good knowledge of its scale, direction, sign and symbols used in them. We have already learned that maps are prepared on specific scales. There are three methods to show scale. The first one is statement of scale, second one representative fraction, and the third one linear scale. Children, these are the three methods of scale. Children, now let's discuss statement of scale in detail. Children, observe the given map. Note the scales shown in this map. What might be the purpose of these three methods of scale? You have seen the different scale in map. Which one is easier to understand? We have seen a map 1 centimeter to 5 kilometers, which means 1 centimeter in the map is 5 kilometer in the earth. This method is known as statement of scale, which everyone, even a layman, can understand easily. Students, now you might think, if statement of scale is easier to understand, why should we use the other two methods? Yes, let's learn about representative fraction. You might have heard the elder members of your family referring to distance between places many a times. They commonly use units such as centimeter, meter, etc. The units used for measuring distance are different in different countries. In India, we follow centimeter, meter, kilometer, etc. Whereas units like inch, mile and furlong are followed in the European countries. That means a map made in India could be difficult for an European to understand. To avoid this confusion, we use a representative fraction. So, what is representative fraction? Representative fraction. Representative fraction is the ratio between the map distance and corresponding ground distance expressed in fractional form. For example, the statement of scale 1 centimeter to 5 kilometers can be expressed as 1:5 lakh in representative fraction. Children, what do you mean by 1:5 lakh? Let's see. In India, people can read it as 1 centimeter is equal to 5 lakh centimeter, which means 1 centimeter in map is 5 lakh centimeter in earth. In Europe, people can read it as 1 inch equal to 5 lakh inch, which means 1 inch in map is equal to 5 lakh inch in earth. Hope you understood. Inch, miles, furlong, etc. are the units followed by the British. This system of units is known as the British system. This system was followed in India till independence. The educated generation of that period also learned this system. After the British left India, the metric system of units came into practice. As per this, centimeter, meter, kilometer, etc. became our units. Now, let's discuss linear scale in detail. Suppose Muttalapuram town shown in this map is undergoing some urban development programs. The map shown here is an enlarged version of the previous map projecting the area including Muttalapuram. Does the scale remain unchanged? Check whether the scales represented by the first two methods, that is, statement of scale and representative fraction, changed in accordance with the change in the map. Now, look at the scale shown in the linear method. You can see that the linear scale has changed in proportion with the change in the map. When a map is subjected to enlargement or reduction, the linear scale will also change accordingly. This is the merit of this method. Hope you understood what we learned in this class. We will meet in the next class with the rest of the topics. Study well. Thank you.